In less than 2 months at the Unpacked event, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be unveiled. Starting with dust resistance, there are quite a few changes to discuss. A while back, there was a speculation that Samsung would include dust resistance on the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. And now, we have new information about the possible background of this. Samsung now rates its foldables as having an IPX8 water resistance rating. X denotes the lack of a dust test for the item. The Z Fold 5 and Flip the 5th of May both get an IP58 rating for dust and water resistance, according to one tipster. In this case, a 5 means that tests found the phone is dust protected. It does give some protection against dust, but this does not indicate that it is dust tight, as in the case of IP68. It should not be used in environments where dust would impair its functionality. This improvement is significant since the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 have internal moving elements. And this is probably because Samsung switched to a new, lighter weight hinge mechanism than the previous one. However, Samsung won't be the first to provide a minimal level of dust ingress protection. On their brand new 2023 Razr phones, Motorola provides an IP52 rating. The rating of 2 here indicates a subpar level of water resistance. But I want to draw attention to the fact that this tipster has a poor track record. You are aware of what must be done. In any case, Samsung is also capable of providing a limited dust protection rating if Motorola can. It would be a real tragedy if they didn't. The Unpacked presentation for the new foldables will in fact be held sooner than normal in late July rather than mid-August, according to Samsung, which is the source of the title of the film. Additionally, South Korea will host it rather than the US. Although Samsung withheld the precise date, it is assumed that it will take place on July 26. The item on the official newsroom seems to have vanished, which is odd since it may have been scheduled to go up earlier than expected. However, the internet never forgets. We also have an update on the 2 foldables' new colors. Ross Young, a display expert, has previously disclosed what colors the next phones will have. Sales of the Z Fold 5 will be available in black, beige, and pale blue. Also available is the Z Flip 5 in beige, gray, light green, and light pink. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.